So the shot you're looking at me through right here, this one, hey guys, this is a DSLR shot, or it's a mirrorless camera shot. Okay, so if you're wondering what my DSLR, in quotation marks, setup is, here it is. This is it right here. I've got my Panasonic Lumix G7 mounted inside of a ring light. There it is. And I'm using that as my frontal camera. Panasonic Lumix G7 is my favorite upgrade from a webcam. You plug this thing in through the video jack on the side of the camera right over here. You run that into a cam link. You guys don't know what a cam link is. It is a device that allows you to, here's my cam link right here. I'll show it to you. It's a device that allows you to plug in any camera, a GoPro, a DSLR, a mirrorless camera, any camera into your computer, convert your camera into a webcam. And that's what I'm doing right here. Is so I am using a mirrorless camera as a webcam all day long. And I've got a power supply. See the little cord hanging out there in the corner? I know this is kind of blurry because I'm like hyper zooming in. But that little cord hanging out there in the corner, it is a power supply that's inside the camera that allows me to run this camera 16 hours per day. This is the camera right here. Most cost-effective camera for the money if you're looking to upgrade to a webcam that I can recommend. Panasonic Lumix G7. It's got all the settings that you have on a normal like DSLR mirrorless camera. It comes with a 14 to 44, as you can see, 14 to 42 variable lens. It's freaking great, man. You can take photography with it, you can do video with it, but most importantly, I use this thing as a webcam, man. All of the settings and everything are here on the touchscreen on the back. You can adjust the ISO, the exposure. I mean, this goes way beyond anything that any webcam can accomplish in terms of quality, and just takes you to the next level and future-proofs you. And check it out. You can, as you see here, you can flip the monitor out, as you can see, so you can monitor yourself. And I'm monitoring myself right here. I'm gonna switch over to some gameplay real quick while you listen to this Shure MV7 microphone. It is overall, I would say overall, it is my favorite microphone out there. Just overall. Because it is an XLR mic and it is a USB mic all wrapped into one. And as you can hear, it sounds phenomenal. And so, you know, ultimately the audio is what matters the most. People being able to hear you and being able to tolerate listening to the way you sound for long periods of time matters quite a bit. And so this microphone, for the money, is the best microphone on the market overall. If you guys are shopping for a microphone right now and you're looking for something that is the best, basically the best bang for your buck, the Shure MV7 microphone is it. This is it. It's got built-in microphone jack. You can change the mix of how you sound versus your gameplay versus whatever's on your computer. And like I mentioned earlier, you can plug it into an XLR jack, a USB jack, or you can run headphones on this microphone, making it absolutely out of this world in terms of the value that this microphone can provide. Gaming creators, really quick, before you do anything else, enter to win our Gaming Creator Bundle sweepstakes, $1,100 in gear. We're giving away for $0. Link in the description below. It includes this exact audio setup you hear me on right now. It's the one we use on the podcast every single day. If you want to sound this good, this is live, by the way. This is not an edited video. This is the way it actually sounds. Let me just show you the bundle. It's freaking amazing. The bundle includes this microphone, shock mount, and boom arm. Plus, it includes the Rodecaster Pro mixer, which is arguably the best creator mixer on the market. Plus, our friends at TubeBuddy threw in a TubeBuddy Legend license if you want to help grow that YouTube channel faster. Plus, our friends over at Restream threw in a Restream license if you want to stream to multiple platforms at the same time and grow your stream faster. Rode hookup, TubeBuddy hookup, Restream hookup. They all just wanted to give you guys gear to help you succeed and software to help you succeed for free. So here you go. Link in the description below. Enter for your chance to win. I wish you the best of luck, and I hope that you guys can maybe pick this package up and increase your quality and increase your chances of growing faster with the tools and gear that we use every single day to grow, and hopefully you can use to grow as well. Link below. Go do it. Thank you.